Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, lived a kind boy named Ben. Ben loved helping others, but he had one big flaw. He always left things unfinished. If he started cleaning his room, he'd stop halfway to play outside. If he began a book, he'd never read past the first chapter. One day, the village elder, Grandpa Joe, gave Ben a small bag of magical seeds. "These will grow into something amazing," he said, "but you must water them every day without fail." Excited, Ben planted the seeds and watered them diligently for a few days. But soon, he got distracted and forgot about them. The seeds stopped growing. Feeling guilty, Ben went to Grandpa Joe. "I'm sorry," he said. "I didn't finish what I started." Grandpa Joe smiled kindly. "The seeds teach us an important lesson. Just like them, our dreams and goals need consistent effort to grow." Determined to change, Ben returned home, watered the seeds daily, and also finished all his other tasks. Weeks later, the seeds blossomed into beautiful flowers, and Ben felt proud. From then on, Ben always remembered to see things through, understanding that dedication and consistency lead to wonderful results.